Welcome to the factory. This is the roller brush sanding machine, built for woodworking precision.
For high-end furniture finishing, this composite brush pad is a must-have. The flexible sanding disc, combined with natural bristles, provides dual polishing, deeply carving, intricate patterns, and smoothing out rounded edges without any missed spots. Coarse grinding and fine polishing are completed in one step, completely avoiding the problems of manual sanding, like mist sanding, scratches, or uneven surfaces. The highly stable structure prevents peeling and is compatible with all types of production lines for custom home furnishings, fire doors, and American-style cabinets. It ensures long-term, stable operation while significantly reducing factory material and labor costs.